Space travel might seem exciting, but it's also absolutely terrifying. These aren't just sci-fi fears. They're real dangers astronauts face every time they leave Earth. Here are 10 terrifying facts about space travel that'll make you think twice about becoming an astronaut. 1. You could drown in your helmet.
Yes.
Really? In 2013, astronaut Luca Palmitano's helmet started filling with water during a spacewalk. A blocked valve caused his suit to flood, and he nearly drowned. In space. 2. Space exposure is instant death. Forget what the movies show. In the vacuum of space, you don't explode, but you lose consciousness in seconds. Your blood boils, and your lungs collapse. Brutal. 3. Cosmic radiation mutates your cells. Earth's atmosphere protects us from radiation. In space, astronauts are bombarded with cosmic rays, increasing their cancer risk, damaging their DNA, and even causing vision loss. 4. Fire behaves strangely in space. Fires in zero-gravity form, floating fireballs, and burn differently, sometimes without visible flames. That makes them harder to detect and almost impossible to control. 5. Your bones and muscles waste away without gravity. Astronauts lose up to 20% of their muscle mass and bone density. Even with exercise, it's like rapidly aging while floating around. 6. Your eyes change shape. Long-term space flight can flatten your eyeballs and change your vision permanently, a condition called spaceflight-associated neuroocular syndrome. Many astronauts return with impaired eyesight. 7. Time gets weird due to Einstein's theory of relativity. Time actually moves slower for astronauts traveling at high speeds. It's tiny but measurable, like time travel, but creepy. 8. Spacecraft can't be rescued easily if something goes wrong during a mission. There's no backup plan, no tow truck, no rescue crew. You're stuck hundreds of thousands of miles from Earth. 9. Debris can kill instantly. There are millions of tiny pieces of space debris zipping around Earth. Even a paint chip traveling at 17,500 miles per hour can shred a spacecraft or pierce a suit. 10. You might hear knocking Chinese astronaut. Young Li Wei reported hearing knocking sounds outside his spacecraft, like someone was hammering on the hull. No source was ever found. Which of these freaked you out the most? Drop it in the comments, tag a friend who thinks they'd survive in space, follow 4 more facts that are out of this world.